Today's little project, cast iron bath. I'm on my own, there's no way I can lift this, not in a month of Sundays. Lifting it out of the room, let alone getting it down the stairs. So the only way to get this out, unfortunately, is to smash it to pieces. I've seen people do it with angle grinders. I've seen people do it with like the power hammer drill things. This is like a massive bell. If you want to go deaf quick, that's the way to try it. All you'll do is chisel off the enamel. So you can hit it with a great big sledgehammer, but I've always used this thing. Used a ball-pein, because it puts all the impact in a little tiny point and gets a nice crack going. I'm not going to hit it this way because this is a lime wall, so I'll be driving the bath into that wall. I don't want to do any damage, so the way I'll do it is I'll basically just start hitting it this way. Once you get a crack going, just follow the crack. So yeah, smashing up cast iron bath. Let's do it. See, and all I'm doing is just start following the crack until it comes up. Hopefully it'll come up in small pieces. But we'll go all the way along here. I'll get this done, and then we'll start following, try and make a crack across here, see where it goes. Right, it's a big bit. I'll break it here if I can. I want to protect this water pipe. Right, there's the destruction. I'll just finish off that little bit there. Right, there we have it. Got the fun job now of getting this all outside. Wear one of these. This isn't good, there's a lot of dust in here. Face mask. Anyway, cheaper than a gym membership. Hopefully this one's helped you out. Have a look at some more other stuff. I'll see you on the next one.